Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have part 2 in my glitter nail series. If you haven't seen part 1, you should go do that. So yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so for the first design I started off with a completely dry white base, and then I used some striping tape to make a triangle shape, and I'm just filling that in using a mauve nail polish. This is called Mauve Over from Londontown, and this is literally one of my favorite nail polishes, you guys. I think I've gone through like 3 bottles of this. Like it's kind of a problem. But anyways, once I was done filling in that shape, I'm going to take my striping tape off right away, and then I decided to put a glitter gradient inside of the triangle. I thought that would be really cute. So to do that, I'm using a small brush and a silver holographic polish. So basically all you're gonna do is put more glitter at the top of the triangle and then less as you go down to get that gradient effect. And if you do go out of the lines a little bit, you can just take a toothpick and kind of push the glitter back into the triangle. Or you can even put tape on the sides, but I was not about to get tape and do all of that. So yeah, after that you can add a glossy top coat and you are done. Oh, wow, I'm just now noticing that air bubble. Do you guys see that? That's frustrating. Okay, moving on to the next design. Again, I'm starting off with a completely dry white base and then striping tape going about a third of the way down my nail. And then I'm using this holographic glitter to paint above that. And because I didn't want a really thick nail, well, I mean, nobody wants a thick nail, I ended up putting some glitter nail polish on a makeup sponge and then just sponging that on just to get it covered quicker. Wow, I can't talk. And again, when that is completely covered, you're going to take off your striping tape right away and then add a glossy top coat. Do not add a matte top coat over a holographic nail polish, guys. Like, do not be that person. It will just look bad, you know. Moving on to the next design, which is a sideways glitter gradient. I was pretty much trying not to be basic and do the regular glitter gradient, so I made it sideways. But for this, you're going to start by making a stroke of glitter going up the side of your nail, and then I took a brush and I'm kind of just pushing a few pieces of the glitter to make it look more like a gradient, just like I did the triangle. As long as you have more glitter at the top and then less as it goes down, you're gonna get that look. It's just kind of hard to explain, even though it's pretty easy. So yeah, just kind of watch what I'm doing here. Then once you are satisfied with how your gradient looks, go ahead and add your top coat and you are done. The next design is a glitter fringe tip, so instead of using your typical white nail polish, you'll use a glitter nail polish. I personally like to freehand these because I just feel like it makes it easier, especially since my nail is longer, so I can kind of just follow that. But you can also use one of those fringe tip nail guides if you want. It's kind of up to you. But basically I'm just sliding it across my nail, and it took 2 coats, I want to say, because this is actually a really good glitter nail polish. This is Floss Gloss dimepiece, and I'm actually so sad because in this video I ran out of it, so I need to get some more. But I would definitely check out this nail polish. It's great. You'll love it. So yeah, I mean, there's not much to this. You just swipe it across the top of your nail and then add a glossy top coat. I feel like that's getting repetitive. Is that just me? I don't know. And for the last design, I'm starting off with a sheer nude base, and then I'm literally taking a small brush and drawing glitter lines all over it. These, honestly, they look harder than they are because glitter, for some reason, is just easier to draw lines with, at least in my opinion. And if you're like, Gabby, you know, forget you, that's hard, you can also use some striping tape to make it easier for you. I don't know, I just feel like because it's glitter, you can't really tell if it's a little bit messed up. But yeah, you guys, I am actually really loving the glitter with the negative space look. I just feel like it looks really cute. So yeah, that is it for my part 2 glitter nail ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which one was your favorite, and I hope you guys are ready for the next glitter video. Honestly, just felt like this would be the best way to get my glitter obsession like out because it's kind of an issue. So yeah, okay, bye.